Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk about how to download and install SQL Server 2025 software. First, open browser, open Google Chrome, open google.com. Search for SQL Server website. SQL Server software download. Open Google Chrome. In the search bar, type SQL Server software download. So it is giving websites list. In this first website is Microsoft.com, official website, Microsoft.com. It has SQL Server software is available. Open this first link. It is showing Microsoft website. Scroll down. Below, here, SQL Server 2025 developer software is available. Okay, two editions are available. One is standard edition, another one is enterprise edition. I want to download this enterprise edition. Click on download. It is downloading SQL Server software. SQL Server software downloaded in the default downloads location. Go to default downloads location. So here, SQL Server exe file we got. This is a exe file. SQL Server software exe file we got. Open this exe file. Okay, select open option or run as administrator. Do you want to allow? Yes. See, it's showing three installation types here. It is asking that select an installation type. Three options are there: basic, custom, download media. I'm selecting custom option here. Okay, it is showing one path of the C drive, SQL 2025. So in this location, this software will be extracted. Just click on install software, it is extracting to that location. Software extracted there. After that, we get this window. In this window, select second option. Select this second option, installation. Click on installation. Right side, select first option. Click on first option. New SQL Server standalone installation. Click on first option. Okay. Then which edition you want to install, it is asking. Okay. So if you want Express edition, select Express. If you want standard edition, select standard. I want to install enterprise edition. So by default, enterprise already selected. I'm not changing this value. Directly click on next. Okay. Accept license agreement. Select I accept option here. Click on next. Again, click on next. Click on next here. Okay. Uncheck this checkbox. Azure extension for SQL Server. Uncheck this checkbox. Click on next. Okay. In this, select this first option, database engine services. Select first option, database engine services, then click on next. Okay. So it is asking instance name. If you want to change, you can change. I'm giving this a default instance name only. I'm not changing anything. Click on next. Okay. Again, click on next. Okay. This step is very, very important here. Observe here. Windows authentication mode is there. Mixed mode is there. Select mixed mode option. Okay. So for system administrator account, means for SCA user, for SCA account, for SCA user, we are setting password here. For SCA user, I'm setting password. This password is very important. We have to remember this password. I'm giving this password as Naresh IT. Okay, then click on add current user option. Click on add current user option. The user will be added here. User added. Then click on next. Okay. Now click on install. Now it is installing actual SQL Server software. It takes some time. Please wait. Now software installed successfully. Just click on close button. Successfully SQL Server server-side software installed. Now we need to install client software. SSMS software we have to install. So again open browser. Okay, open google.com. Now search for SSMS software here. SSMS software download. Okay, see the first link, official website microsoft.com. Open that first link. Where SSMS software is available. Okay. Here, download SQL Server Management Studio 22 installer. This button is available. So this is SSMS latest version is 22 as of now. In SQL Server software, latest version is 2025 as of now. In SSMS software, latest version is 22. Click on download button. It is downloading SSMS software. SSMS software downloaded in the default downloads location. Go to downloads. Here we got SSMS exe file. Observe. Open this exe file. Right click on it. Select run as administrator. Do you want to allow? Yes. Click on continue. See here. Okay, if you want AI assistance, etc., you can select these options. Okay, I'm not selecting any option here. Okay, just directly I'm clicking on install. Okay, now it is downloading SQL Server as well as it is installing. It takes some time. Please wait. Okay. Now successfully SSMS software also installed. If you want to launch, click on launch. Okay, just I'm closing this one. Okay, now in my laptop, SQL Server software is ready and SSMS software is also ready. I want to open SSMS now. So in the Windows search bar, I'm typing SQL Server Management Studio. See here, it is showing SQL Server Management Studio app, SSMS app it is showing. Okay, just open it. Okay, just I'm skipping this one. See, okay, it is asking server name. Okay, see, so here in the authentication, Windows authentication is there, SQL Server authentication is there. Okay, for Windows authentication, username password is not required. Okay, for SQL Server authentication, username password is required. So I'm selecting SQL Server authentication for security purpose. So give the server name here. Then give username and password. Username is SCA. For SCA user, at the time of installation, I have given password as Naresh IT. Here we have to enter server name here. Server name. Okay. Now for that, in the Windows search bar, just to see the system, type system. See here. Okay. It is showing device name. Observe. This is a device name. Desktop iPhone UK 642 KJ. Just this one only I'm copying there. Okay. Desktop iPhone UK 642 KJ. UK 642 KJ. This is my system name. Okay. If you want to change that name, you can change that name here. Rename this PC here. You can change that one. Okay. So I'm using the default name only. Okay. So this is my system name, server name. My laptop is the server, my laptop is the client because I'm using my laptop for training purpose, for learning purpose. Okay, then select this trust server certificate option. Okay, so because of encrypt is mandatory here, we need to select this one. Trust server certificate option. Then click on connect. Now it is connecting to server. Using client side software, SSMS software, I connected to server now. Now it is connected to server. So if you want to write new queries, just click on this new query option. New query option. Okay. Now observe here. Here, 4 database names are there. These are the default database names. If you want to create the database, just write like this, create database. Okay. Suppose I am giving bank database like this, bank database. Okay. Select this one. To run this query, just click on execute. Shortcut is alt X. Click on execute. Now database is created. See here, command completed successfully. Database created. Observe. Now 5 databases are there. Bank database created. Okay. So if we want to go to bank database, now master database is selected here. If we want to go to bank database, just type the command use bank database. Use bank database. Okay. Execute this one. Now see here, bank database selected. Now I am in the bank database now. In the bank database, I want to create one table. How to create the table? Create table. Suppose I want to maintain customers details. So customer, create table. Table name I am giving as customer. Okay, customer ID into data. Customer name, varchar data type like this. Varchar of 10. Okay, if you want more columns, you can take. I'm taking 2 columns here. Okay, customer's contact number, Aadhaar number, PAN number, etc. If you want to take more columns, you can take. Just to demonstrate, I'm taking 2 columns here. Okay, run this query. Now table is created. Customer table is created. In that, I want to insert the records. So to insert the records, I'm writing like this. Insert into table name, customer, values. First customer, 1001 customer ID. Name is ABC. String must be enclosed in the single quotes. Okay. So now I'm selecting this query. Okay. Table name is customer. Select this query and run this one. Execute. 1 row effective. If you want to insert one more record, okay, insert into customer values, another row I'm inserting. Okay. Customer name is XY. This second query also I'm running. Another row created. To open and see the table data, write like this. Select star from table name, customer. Okay, click on execute. Now observe here, it is showing that customer table data, customer IDs and customer names. Okay, like this, to maintain database in the form of tables, customer is a table, customer ID first column, customer name second column. 1001 ABC row, first row, 1002 XY second row. Like this, table contains rows and columns. To maintain database in the form of tables like this, we are using SSMS software. Like this, we can practice the queries here. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video.